Okay, just 1 second. Okay, just come on down. We're going to come over here to Unseen Reality. Okay, just come down a little bit, please, so we can all see everybody. Okay. All right, Edward, I'll let you take it away.
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Unseen Reality. At AWE this year, we launched our first product called URXR One. It's a 33-gram spatial computing glasses. So with a 2.5K display and a 90-degree field of view, and the OLED and the mini pancake lens. So basically, the idea of the product is it's a superpower to the device you have every day, your phone, your laptop, or even your gaming console. So feel free to drop by after this session to try them out. And here, Ara is showing a demo that with our glass and the normal laptop and our software support, we are trying to bring the premium headset, VR or MR experience to the device. So basically, as you can see, we already set it up. In the world, it's a 6-off, word-locked virtual displays for everyday like a productivity use. And you can interact with them in the space. So drag to anywhere you want and change the size and do multiple screen layout. Also, similar to like headsets, we have the, feel free to close the window. And we have the virtual environment, so purely virtual environment experience. So like here, we can check out the beach environment.
That's real good.
Yeah. So if you prefer the real world very much, so you can easily turn it off and work in a real environment. So everything is just in this 93-gram spatial computing glasses, and we try to we try to give you a premium VR experience. Yeah, with a very comfortable like weight. So feel free to try it out.
Best
and,
of show.
It
Best
pretty
of
much
show.
connect to every device you have already.
That's the best.
That's
the
all.
best
This
for
is
sure.
Edward from Unseen Reality.
I like that.
And this is our product, URXR One.
Best. Woo! Woo! Great.
Thank you.
Thank
you very much. Okay, we're going to go around and check out the
Great
art
job. Great
festival.
job.
That's something we're doing
I'm
for the very
showing
first
that.
time here
That's great.
at AWE 2026.
That
So we're going
was
to walk down.